I've been using Notion for years now, and honestly, it's one of those tools that completely changes how you organize your life. The first time I tried it, I just wanted a simple note-taking app. But then I blinked and suddenly I was running my business, content calendar, and personal goals all inside one workspace. But here's the real question. Is Notion actually the productivity miracle everyone claims it is, or just a glorified digital notebook? Let's find out. So Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can write, plan, collaborate, and organize everything. Its main promise is flexibility. Instead of jumping between Google Docs, Trello, and Task apps, Notion gives you one customizable place for it all. You can build pages, databases, and dashboards that adapt to your workflow, not the other way around. Here's how it works. You start with a blank page, literally. From there, you can add text, images, to-do lists, tables, or embed anything. Videos, Figma files, calendars, you name it. Want a content tracker? Build one. Need a personal journal, CRM, or project dashboard? Just drag and drop. The beauty of Notion is that everything is made from blocks, like digital Lego for your workspace. And now, with Notion AI built right in, you can summarize notes, generate ideas, and even rewrite content instantly. What I really love about Notion is the control. It's endlessly customizable. You can create your own system for everything, whether you're a solo creator or managing a full team. The templates are amazing too. There are pre-built setups for project management, habit tracking, and even meeting notes that look incredible right out of the box. Collaboration is smooth. You can comment, assign tasks, and work in real time, which makes it perfect for remote teams. But let's be honest, it's not perfect. The flexibility that makes Notion so powerful can also make it overwhelming at first. If you're not into building workflows from scratch, the blank page freedom might feel more paralyzing than liberating. Syncing on mobile can sometimes lag with big workspaces, and offline mode still isn't as seamless as it could be. So who's Notion really for? It's perfect for creators, freelancers, teams, and anyone obsessed with organization. If you love customizing your setup and want one tool for notes, tasks, and collaboration, it's a no-brainer. But if you just want a simple checklist app, you might not need all this power. My verdict? Notion lives up to the hype. It's elegant, flexible, and ridiculously powerful once you make it your own. It's not just another productivity tool, it's your second brain. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tell me how you use Notion in the comments. I read every single one.